Hi, this is Accutek car audio in Winchester. It's a nice little video of a Mercedes Sprinter long wheelbase having a full audio upgrade. More importantly, starting with the KENWOOD DMX9720XDS. There we are. It's a 10.1 inch screen. It's got DAB, CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. It's a lovely unit, really nice, easy to use. The screen can move, so if you get reflection, you've got presets you can store accordingly, as you would do in most stereos. The nice thing about this setup is we've actually fitted a KENWOOD dash cam. Can't really see it there, but it's there. And it's got a factory rear camera that we've integrated, so I'll put it in reverse and you get the rear camera, but you also got the dash cam. Press the dash cam, you get a full front of the front recording, and you go back onto the rear if you wanted to. Really handy, really quite nice feature. You can also press the camera button and you've got the rear, and then you've got the dash cam, so if you're driving along, you're worried about something behind you, you can just press the camera button, direct camera, press that, or switch it back off again. If you want this done in any vehicle, please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.
At least 9.5.